Yes, ready for dictation. Start. Aggrieved by the order passed by the learned single judge Dhyan Singh, now deceased, filed this latter's patent appeal in this court on the ground that neither the copies of the statements of the witnesses nor a list of witnesses was supplied to him by the inquiry officer, in spite of the fact that repeated requests were made to him. Stop passage. Mr. Patel, learned counsel appearing for the appellant, has contended that the appellant was dismissed from service on the basis of the inquiry report, and it was mandatory on the part of the respondents to have complied with the principles of natural justice by supplying the copies of the preliminary inquiry report as well as the names of the witnesses and the statements of the witnesses who deposed against him. Stop. On the other hand, Mr. So-and-so, learned senior Deputy Advocate General Punjab, has vehemently contended that the appellant did not request for supply of the copy of the inquiry report or the list of the witnesses or the statements of the witnesses. Stop passage. He emphasized that the appellant was allowed to take notes of the inquiry report as well as other relevant documents, and it cannot be said that any prejudice was caused on the appellant. Stop. He further contended that there was no provision under the Punjab Police Rule 16.2 for supply of such documents during departmental inquiry. Stop. In support of his submission, learned counsel for the appellant relied upon Union of India and others versus Ramjan Khan 1991 SLR 159. Stop. We have given our careful consideration to the arguments advanced by the learned counsel for both the parties. Stop passage. There is an inherent contradiction in the stand of the state brought about on examination of the pleadings of the parties. Stop. What was argued before us was that the appellant did not request for supply of copies of the inquiry report as well as other documents. Stop. However, in ground no. Stop. In the writ petition, the appellant has taken a categoric stand. Stop. That neither copies of statements of witnesses nor a list of witnesses was supplied to the petitioner by the inquiry officer, in spite of the fact that repeated requests were made to him. Stop. In the reply of the State of Punjab to the corresponding para 3 of the ground taken in the writ petition, which is at page 30 of the paper book, reads that this para is wrong and incorrect, therefore is denied. Stop. Over.